What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your mobile hotspot is not working on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few quick ways to fix this. The first thing you want to do is type in services into your search bar until you get here, and you want to find something called Windows Mobile something over here, right here, mobile hotspot service. You want to right click into this, go to properties. First, you want to change this from manual to automatic and basically press apply. And next, if this is already running, you're going to basically right click into this and restart it. And if it's not running when you were inside of it, you want to basically start it to run and see if this fixes it for you. If not, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your search bar and just type in network resets until you get to this page, and you're going to reset all of your network basically adapters, because you can see over here it'll say to reinstall all your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. Most likely something got changed or messed up along the way over the years or months or whenever you've had your computer, and basically you need to do this to fix this issue to be able to utilize your mobile hotspot. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the like, join the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.